Hello, my dear students. Good morning, everybody. Hope that you will good by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that you are studying at your home for the global epidemic coronavirus. So, we are going to start our Kaluvali Upojila Online School. Dear students, you will attend our class. I will take the class in grammar 6 and 7. Dear students, at first introduce, I am Sulaiman Hussain, Alhagami Nakatan Vidyapith, Kalukhali Rajbari. Dear students, the subject in the second paper you know that we are the government of our start Amar Ghare Amar school. So we are trying to start our class online. Dear students, I will take a class 7 and 6 subject in the second paper. You will see the picture. You will see the picture and try to say about the picture. Can you say the board? This is a book. This is a beautiful rose. A baby is crying. We are into a class. These are the some pictures. Can you guess what are the pictures are? Yeah. You know that? The pictures are adjective. The pictures are parts of speech. Dear students, so our topic is parts of speech. I will take a parts of speech. Dear students, do you know what are the parts of speech? Yeah, you know that any meaningful word is called parts of speech, or every sentence has a meaningful word is called parts of speech. Do you know that how many kinds of parts of speech? Yeah, you know that there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. I will say these: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are 8 kinds of parts of speech. I will try to discuss about the parts of speech. At first, I will discuss noun. You know that a noun is a meaningful naming word, or every name is called noun. You know that there are so types of name. These are called noun. A beautiful dress, a globe, a beautiful woman, a beautiful frog, woman, globe and dress. These are called noun. You know that it's a noun. Then pronoun. Do you know that? What are the pronoun? Pronoun. You know that a pronoun is a word replaced in a noun. A pronoun is a word replaced in a noun. It's a Bangladeshi flower. When we replace it is a beautiful Bangladeshi flower. It is pronoun. The boys are playing. If we call replacing pronoun, they are playing. It's a pronoun. You know that What is the adjective? A adjective is a qualifying noun or pronoun. An adjective and qualifying any noun or pronoun. You know that it's a beautiful road. The road is very beautiful. The baby is very sweet. Here the underlined word is adjective. Beautiful and sweet. These are called adjective. You know that. Do you know that? What is verb? You know that a verb is a soul of a word. Without verb, a meaningful sentence cannot be completed. So, a verb is a doing word. We can see that adverb. An adverb is a modifying other parts of speech. Any parts of speech modifying called adverb. Here we can see the picture. The sun is setting. The sun is setting slowly. A boy is carrying a van slowly. These are called slowly, quickly, fast, well done, quickly. Those are called adverb. So we can say that an adverb is modifying other parts of speech. Here we can see another parts of speech. Preposition. Preposition. Pre means before. Position means condition. So we can see that we can say the definition of preposition. A preposition is used before noun and pronoun and makes a relation in a word. So a preposition makes a relation a meaningful noun or pronoun. So we can see that a preposition is used before noun or pronoun. So we can see the image. A little baby is understand. Her feet is under the ball. Above. The ball is above her head. This is called preposition. In front, below, behind, above. It's a preposition. So dear students, we can realize that preposition is a relation in a noun or pronoun. Two uses before noun or pronoun. So dear students, we can see the conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word. A conjunction is a joining word that joins noun, pronoun or any sentences. We can see the definition of conjunction. Here is an example. Sulaiman and Shahina are trying to operate computer. Trying to operate computer. This is Sulaiman and Shahina is a joining word. This is called conjunction. There are some conjunction and, or, but, because, since. It's conjunction. Another interjection. Do you know that? What are the interjection? Express. Express feelings. Express feelings. We can the definition of an interjection. An interjection expresses motion and feelings. Sad, joy. It's called interjection. Here we can see joyous person. Joyous. These ladies are enjoyful. The man is enjoyful. The boy is crying. Joy. Joy, sorrow. It means interjection. Feelings, motion and emotions. Motions and emotions is called interjection. Dear students, we can know about the parts of speech. Now we are trying to do some words by your khata. Parts of speech. What is called parts of speech, dear students? Yeah, a sentence has a meaningful word is called parts of speech. How many kinds of parts of speech, dear students? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Who can say parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Dear students, write down your note paper to draw a chart. Draw a chart about a parts of speech and give minimum example. You will try to write down your khata a diagram of parts of speech and try to give an example a parts of speech. Dear students, stay home. You will keep good at. Soon we come back our classes by to take class. Dear students, you will be happy at your home. Everybody, thanks. See you again. No more today.